9 shots to stomach. I hunger for this game, I eat it up and I reflux. 400 years of pain and hang-ups, I get choked up. And I feel it in your veins, it's oxygen to your brain. I let your head rush, bloodlust. For those in power who plot against us, you fucked up. New black power, this war ahead, leave your mouth sour. Taking heads after we send them to that stone tower. And be like good to cowards, not a hood is ours. Cause in that final hour, we send the blood and shower. We from the mud, the grime, the crud, the crime. But see when you unplug the mind, the flood is time. Concrete jungle, the planet of the apes we rise. Young Caesar, crusade like it's cape for time. Not put them high.
Throw your hands up, this ain't a bust. This is a stick up, stick up. Stick up, stick up, yeah, stick up, stick up. Stick up, stick up. 1, 2, 3, 4, throw your hands up. This ain't a bust. This is a stick up, stick up. Stick up, stick up. Stick up, stick up. Stick up, stick up.
Stick up, kid. First I fuck the president up, like no offense. Then I sort the treasury up. Spaceship, you see them overhead, nigga duck. Them aerial phenomenons, I hope you know that it's us. In the God I trust, my word is bond, just bank on it. Pay me what I'm owed, reparations say chase on it. I'm Evan Ross running for myself till I'm made submit. Put my mug to that prayer rug till I plank on it. Got the bug to be more, so I'm wired on making it. On that young Michael, pull out that shotty, I'm taking it. Middle finger to that law, that young Mandingo with big balls. That mean I'm fucking right America out in the racial pound round out. Big heady, Debo Lottie. God body, the words righteous but flow naughty. Potty mouth cause I'm trained to shit on anybody. While I stand up, watch them all sink. Like look mommy, I put them high.
Throw your hands up, this ain't a bust. This is a stick up, stick up. Stick up, stick up, yeah, stick up, stick up. Stick up, stick up. 1, 2, 3, 4, throw your hands up. This ain't a bust. This is a stick up, stick up. Stick up, stick up. Stick up, stick up.
Yeah.
Stick up, stick up.
Okay, put your hands up, it's a stick up. Only stealing your time to get richer. They say that time is money, so I guess this is the robbery. The poetic prodigy, painting pictures of poverty. Golden mind plus platinum lines might boost the economy. In exchange for your time, we get you to think logically. So get down, it's a heist. And put your hearts in the bag to show you love real rap. Keep your money in your eyes. And put this in your soul so we know that you feel that. It's that 90s feel, we spitting that ill rap and bringing that real back. Without the ice, if you got stars, this music can heal that. The chain is a loose that we get from the hustle. Figure the shining from these diamonds, bring some light to the struggle. And we fight through the troubles and watch us climb through this rubble. Connect the pieces, get your mind off this puzzle, and then put your hands up.
1, 2, 3, 4, throw your hands up. This ain't a bust. This is a stick up, stick up. Stick up, stick up, yeah, stick up, stick up. Stick up, stick up. 1, 2, 3, 4, throw your hands up. This ain't a bust. This is a stick up, stick up. Stick up, stick up. Stick up, stick up. Stick up, stick up.